about you, but whenever I get parts, I feel like a kid on Christmas Day opening their presents up. So, what is going on, guys? Your boy Javi here. For all the new subscribers, your boy Javi Vibes, building a 2002 New Edge Mustang. Wanted to get out of the comfort zone and decided to build something American, V8, 5-speed, and let me tell you, I am loving every step of the way. We ordered a bunch of parts here. We're gonna start off with doing the unboxing. I cut off the lid because there was so much stuff. What do we got here? So we have the hood latch, the one that goes in the front. Mine is a little bit rusted from years and years of use, and this one is brand spanking new. It's gonna close that hood very nice. We have the hood latch. We also have a hood cable. We have it here complete. This one is from All Classic Parts. Hood latch release cable. The problem with mine is that this part right here was kind of broken and it was kind of just dangling there in the car. So yeah, this is gonna be nice to get this this one installed. And we have right here, I believe, apologize for that, guys. I've been doing so much recording that the camera, the memory has been getting full. So what do we have here? We have the driver's side panel, or plastic, sorry, for the door, for the door insert. Mine is bad, it's toasted, they painted it, and this is the new one going into the door insert. This is kind of like the charcoal gray for when I got the AC bezel, so this is going to match with that AC bezel. I really want to change the whole interior of the vehicle kind of to black, almost like the Cobra, but I'm liking the charcoal gray, so I pretty much like this. This is pretty good. Other than that, we're going to install this one. This is the driver's side. We're going to go ahead and put this one back, and I also got the passenger side because all they did was grab the one that was there, the previous owner, and he painted it. I mean, if you're on a budget and you're trying to paint parts and plastics inside of your vehicle, and this is running you 20 bucks, I think you got your priorities messed up, because I think the can of paint is gonna run you like 20 bucks. Why not just get a brand new one and replace that 20-year-old plastic, give the car some life. And then this one is the passenger side. As you guys can see, is that charcoal gray, looking amazing. It looks like I had it. No, it doesn't have a crack. Nope. Perfect. So yeah, I can kind of see how they clip on. It's just a clip here in the back and just a clip up here. Nice. So let's go ahead and start the video and let's start installing all these parts. Well, not so much, there's about 4 of them. I'll see you guys. Let's go. Alright, so in this part of the video, just pretty much showing you guys, I'm actually doing a voiceover because I completely forgot to turn on the mic and the camera. So I just want to show you guys the comparison on the new parts to the old ones, how the hood latch looks completely busted, the hood cable looks completely toasted. It's been 20 years in there and it's completely broken. Also showing you guys how easy it is to remove the under hood latch. It's just two holes that are there that you can pretty much stick a socket through there or an extension, and it becomes very easy to remove it. Also showing you guys the comparison from a 20-year-old latch, has been there in the car since 2002 to like now 2023. Comparison to the new one that I received, looks nice and shiny and chrome, and it just looks perfect. So it's actually pretty good that I'm actually doing a voiceover. Never really done one, and it's cool to do that. What is going on, guys? Good morning. Just finished. Well, not just finished. I finished it yesterday. I finished installing everything already. Did the hood latch, did the cable. The hood latch, the hood cable is a little bit harder than I actually would want it. It's, you know, for when I pull it, it's a little harder. So I gotta make some adjustments and stuff like that. Everything else looks very good. The panels look amazing. I love just how the panels look. I love just coming in here and looking at it, and it just looks amazing. And how everything just coming together. The funny thing now is that when you open the hood, now you see a big shiny chrome hood lash. And I just got my American Muscle catalog, by the way. But I remember the good old days back in the 90s and the early 2000s when you would just order stuff off of catalogs. Those were the good old days. Now you just log into Amazon or log into anywhere and just kind of put your orders through there and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start changing the base for where the airflow meter sensor is. That's the part that broke and I JB welded in the previous video. So let's go ahead and finish that up. And we got a good show today that we're gonna go to, but that's gonna be for a later episode. So let's continue. Now, I did a pretty good job with the JB weld. As you guys can see, it's weld on pretty good there, but it's still not, and there's obviously nowhere leaking. It's not leaking anywhere, but we're still gonna replace it.